Hey guys, this is Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today we're doing a unboxing of the Sony 295ES, as well as we're going to be replacing it with this old 1080p Optima projector. And we're going to do a little alignment and calibration, as well as show you what it's going to look like on a screen here from Elite Screens. This is a white screen, and as you see us, we normally typically are putting it on a black diamond or a new nice 4K screen, so you guys can see the comparison here. We're gonna end up putting it right up there, just where it is now, and it terminates back here in this closet. Stay tuned and we'll keep you updated. All right guys, you've already seen us unbox this before, but I guess for the sake of the video, we'll do it again, show you what's in here. Power cord, battery, remote control, and a warranty from Sony, and instruction manual. It's a beautiful projector for the money, and brand new for this year. All right guys, so now that we got it out of the box here, the next step is we're gonna have to replace this projector. And as you can see, this is a much older projector and a much smaller projector. So once we take this down here, we're gonna actually have to replace the mount on it and then re-bolt it in up here. And I'll show you guys that process as well. Guys, as you can see now, we got our screen aligned and all of our wires neat up here. Projector is level. The wires just coming down from the ceiling. And so everything's looking good, moving around smoothly. Now I'm gonna take a video and show you guys what kind of image quality you can expect on a screen like this with a Sony 4K projector.
I was a product of the love that never should have been.
We could unite our worlds one day.
A son of the land and a son of the seas.
My mother always knew you were special.
You are part of something deeper. You are the bridge between land and sea.
Hey guys, this is Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater. We're all finished up today. We put in the Sony 295ES above my head here, and we're projecting onto this white screen at 1080p. The customer satisfied with it, but we did talk, and I did inform him, you know, you can get a lot better, crisp, brighter image if we upgrade him to at least a gray screen or a black diamond screen to really maximize what he's gonna get with the projector. Guys, if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what we can do for you guys in the future. And once again, this is Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater.